benefit. Oh, you can talk to Julio about him being more confident when his appearance, but there's nothing like showing him what he'll look like after the treatment. This is how I got involved with DenMat. Dave Casper, the president of DenMat, he and I have been colleagues for well over 25 or 30 years. And I had a conversation with him a couple months ago. I said, you know, my online program has been very successful, but I'm looking for some technology to make it easier for patients to experience what they'll look like when we're done. And he showed me a process called LumiSmile. It's part of their process that DenMat offers. And this is actually a lot. Julio's a real patient. What could be better than showing patients how to look before you even start? Guys, before I start talking about this, I want to talk to several dentists who are doing this on a daily basis. So I did. So I talked to, oh, here's me. Here's me. This is fun. I just got off my bike. I look like hell, but I gave my wife my iPhone. And I said, honey, take a picture of me. I'm in the process of having the anterior reconstruction done my teeth here in the Scottsdale area. Sheldon Sullivan is my dentist. He's a fantastic dentist. And he did my wife's teeth. And so Sheldon's going to be doing mine. And so I asked Jennifer Archer, I said, can you guys do a LumiSmile on me? I mean, look at the difference between left and right. I showed my wife this. She says, well, when are you going to get it done? That's what my wife tells me. When are you going to get it done? So it looks like I'm getting it done. So I called 3 dentists who are involved in what's called the Smile Discovery Program. The Smile Discovery Program is really a combination of the LumiSmile app, which allows you to take a photograph, and then they have a graphic artist show an artist rendition of what you'd look like when you're done. It takes, I don't know, a couple hours to do, not a big deal. And the Smile Discovery Program also includes marketing and that sort of thing. I'm not going to get into great detail there, but you know, so I called these 3 doctors. Michelle, she's really interesting. She said, I love the LumiSmile. And what she does, what I found was really interesting, she shows the patient the LumiSmile. Then she asks the patient, would you like to see how this would actually look in your mouth right now? And she does composite mock-ups. So she does a quick composite mock-up. She has huge treatment acceptance with the composite mock-up. She's a big fan of that. Dr. Zach Zybeck, here's a guy. This guy talked my earwax out. Zach is terrific. Zach has got great energy. And what he's done, Lauren, he has a team member dedicated to LumiSmile. I don't know if you knew that, but this team member sees every patient. He'll walk into operatories, he'll walk into hygiene. Everybody gets his LumiSmile. I said, why you do that? And Zach said something that was really terrific. He said, Homoly, he said, seeing is believing. Seeing is believing. And I would add to that, seeing is believing, and believing leads to patients saying yes. And for patients who he does a LumiSmile before and after, he's experienced a 50% treatment acceptance. To me, that's an amazing number. Dr. Arak Kassemi, I didn't talk to the doctor, but I talked to his treatment coordinator, office manager. Her name is Ali Ramirez. She was excellent. Boy, there should be more of her around. She was gracious. She talked to me for about 45 minutes about the entire Smile Discovery Program. Every patient gets a LumiSmile per year. It's like repeating x-rays. You see, they see LumiSmile as part of the diagnostic process. And the more I look at this, the more I would say I would put LumiSmile right up there with standard of care. But instead of maybe spinning it into standard of care, think about it as standard of caring. That is, how do you make it easy for patients to understand how dentistry can help them? How do you make it easy? And showing them an after photo of how they can look, that just beats the heck out of showing people wax ups, I guarantee you. They do well with their a marketing program available through the Smile Discovery Program. What blew me away, I didn't ask this, but Ali Ramirez offered it. They have a $3 million a year annual collections, solo dentists with 7 operatories. And they're in Las Vegas. And one of these days, I'm going to make a trip to Las Vegas. I have a lot of clients in Las Vegas. I'm going to drop in on this, folks, because see, it's guys like Dr. Simi, Dr. Zybek, and Dr. Ng that I learned from. This is new technology for me, to tell you the truth. I told Dave Casper, I said, why are you guys one of the best kept secrets in dentistry? Why don't more people know about this? And I am totally confident in showing this to every one of my clients, the before and after LumiSmile. It's a hell of a deal.